Today, we will introduce the S-meter display function. The S-meter display function indicates the strength and readability of the received signal. By enabling this feature, you can better understand signal quality and make effective communication adjustments. To enable the S-meter display, 1. Press the menu key and select Menu option. 49. 2. Select On to turn on the S-meter display. Note: when receiving a signal, if the signal report is greater than 59, S9+, and the specific dB value will be displayed. S-meter display explanation. The S-meter indicates the clarity and strength of the voice signal, with S9 representing very clear voice and very strong signal. S9+20 or S9+60 indicates that the signal strength reaches S9 and exceeds it by 20 dB or 60 dB. When relayed through a repeater, the received signal is usually constant, so the signal report remains stable. This signal report is for reference only. By using the S-meter display function, you can better assess communication signal quality and make effective operational adjustments.
Testing, testing, test, 1, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, test, 1, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching. For more supporting, please visit support.talkpod.com.